Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to readyforex.com, and today we are going to cover the London Forex trading session. I mainly use Elliot Wave analysis to trade and forecast the market. And I also teach trading with Elliot Wave. If you are interested, you can check out my website. There are different ways to communicate with me and talk with me. Okay. Okay, let's go over to some price charts and see what's going on. Okay, Euro USD currency pair. This is the daily time frame of Euro dollar currency pair. Now, at this point in time, it seems to me dollar is trying to bounce back up from current levels. Well, I also expect the market to go up, and my forecast is basically bullish inside euro dollar currency pair. If you take a look at this 4-hour chart, this is the bullish Elliott wave count in validation point at 1.1630 price level. So the way I see market is probably going to print a bottom and it is going to rise up one more time to print the bullish impulse wave 5 Elliott wave leg. If you check out the 1-hour time frame, this is the breakout point over here. But we need more bullish price action. This current bullish rise, this is not enough. Okay, we want the price to move up a little bit more. Next, let us take a look at a 30 minutes chart over here. So basically, I'm looking for the price action to close a clear bullish candlestick above 1.1705 level in Euro USD currency pair. So if price action breaks above this level, let me write it down, 1.1705. So if price action is going to break higher, then I expect further upside. Otherwise, maybe this is just a pullback and market might, begin the decline as well over here. So we need a bullish breakout. Otherwise, it's still a downtrend. Next one is the US dollar index. A 4-hour time frame, the US dollar index is trying to decline over here. The way I see market is going to create a short-term bearish pullback. We might get a complete reversal, but we will see how it goes. The way I see market is probably going to drop inside US dollar index, and I assume it's just a pullback. However, if we do get a bearish breakdown in price action below 96.39 level, then that would be the wave number 5. Next one is the pound dollar currency pair, GBPUSD currency pair. In last few trading days, overall we got a bearish price action. This is where we got these two consecutive big body candlesticks, bearish candlesticks over here, and this thing suggests to me that market wants to rise up, create some kind of a corrective price action. Now my forecast is actually on a short-term basis I am bullish, but on a medium-term to long-term basis, my forecast is bearish for the GBPUSD currency pair. So in my opinion, price action is going to rise up. Expect a bullish leg, and I expect a pullback somewhere around 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. It might test this area over here as well, 1.3585 level as well. This one looks also possible. This is about 135 pips away from current price level. So some people might say, okay, well, we have a 0.618 level, but what about the another level? So the next level that we could use is 0.50%. So 0.50%, this is the Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so we could get a bullish leg around 1.3603 area, or second option is price action is going to hit 1.3646 area over here. So we will see how it goes. If you check out the 1 hour time frame, overall this is quite a big drop in price action over here in pound dollar currency pair. Now market is trying to back up over here, but we need some kind of a noticeable bullish breakout. For example, if we draw this level over here, this is the area 1.3492. So if price action is going to breaks above 1.3492 level, then we can say with high confidence that the pullback has started. A lot of times what looks like a pullback turns out to be a complete reversal as well in price action. So basically what we are looking is in pound dollar currency pair, a bullish leg at 1.3492. That's the level. So if we get a bullish candlestick close above this level, the chances are high that price action is going to rise up even further. And how far it's going to move? Two levels. I'm suggesting 0.618 area, but it could hit 0.50% Fibonacci retracement level as well. So both levels are achievable. Both levels looks quite possible over here. Okay. Next one is the Aussie dollar. We got this wedge shape formation, and I checked the the wave count, and the Elliot wave count is telling me that market doesn't want to drop. So my forecast is bullish in AUDUSD currency pair. The way I see Aussie dollar is going to rise up even more. Okay, so my forecast is bullish in AUDUSD currency pair. I don't think it's going to print a top. I think this is just a pullback. Expect more upside, and all of those who are trying to take a sell here are probably going to lose money in Aussie dollar currency pair. Next one is the 4 hours. So same story. We do not get any kind of a break of a support level over here. It's a clear uptrend going on. Price action just keep printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. Even if you check out the rainbow, let me show you. This is a clear uptrend going on over here in 4 hour. If you check out the daily time frame, same story. It's turning bullish over here. Okay, so the trend looks clearly up in Aussie dollar currency pair, and I expect further upside. Next one is the NZDUSD currency pair. Price action missed 0.6129 level, so we got this pullback. I think market is going to rise up, but first it needs to clear 0.6034 level. Then we might get further upside. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. We got the pullback, and I think the pullback is almost over. Market is probably going to drop. So my forecast is bearish. This area over here, this is just a corrective price action, ABC. And I expect a drop in price action. So this is what I showed you yesterday when we were doing the analysis, that price action is basically retesting the old resistance levels. Okay, so we got this ABC. It should break higher, but it didn't, and market is falling down. So this is telling USD Swiss franc is going to drop. It's not going to rise up. So my forecast is bearish and US dollar Swiss franc. Next one is the spot gold. Spot gold needs to complete the bullish leg. So far it did not manage to complete it. What I mean by that is, when I told you guys that we got this bearish trend channel and these things usually break to the upside, so we got the bullish breakout, but we need one more leg. It is possible that we might get just a slight bullish area, just a slight bullish corrective leg, but still the way I see, it's a high probability that spot gold is going to rise up today, not tomorrow. It's going to rise up today. Okay, and and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to type inside the chat box. Also press the subscribe button and the like button as well, so I get an idea that you guys are appreciating it. Okay, next one is the USDCAD daily time frame going sideways. The way I see, USDCAD is most likely going to drop. I don't think it could print a new high, because this is a time waste over here. We got these long spikes in price action. Here it is, and we got another one over here. So the way I see, market is most likely going to print a new low inside USDCAD pair. So my forecast is bearish. Now maybe we get just a short-term decline. Okay, maybe we only get like 70 or 76 pips decline, and then price is going to rise up. But at least on a short-term basis, the way I see, USD-CAD is probably going to drop. Next one is the USD Yen currency pair, which is trying to invalidate this pattern. It could fail as well. I have seen multiple times that price just missed the swing high or a swing low, I mean the previous swing high and previous swing low, with the margin of just 1 pip or 2 pips, and then you get a complete reversal. So as long as price action is staying below 148.00 area, my forecast is bearish for the US dollar yen currency pair. So the way I see, I'm expecting the price action to drop inside US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. Next one is the WTI crude oil. The way I see, we got this first leg. Maybe it's not over. In both scenarios, okay, this is the first scenario, the preferred Elliott wave count, wave A, expect bullish leg, wave B, after wave B expect a bearish leg, wave C. The second scenario is price action is going to drop from current levels, and it's going to print a new low over here. Okay, so in both scenarios, I expect price action to drop. I mean the WTI crude oil, my forecast is bearish. Okay, and the way I see, market is probably going to drop even further. Okay, so this was the update. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to type inside the chat box, and I will be happy to answer it. If you do not have any questions, then also press the like button as well. Okay, and I think that's it for the time being from my side. I will upload some individual videos as well regarding the euro dollar, pound dollar, USD yen, these pairs as well, along with detailed Elliott wave count as well. So that's pretty much it for today, and I will try to host the next session, the New York market session, probably after 10 to 11 hours time. Okay, so that's it. Have a nice